Alright everyone, I just got back from a quick little ride, and then I've got this warmed up a little bit. All I've done is like 5 miles today, but we're at 132.6 total miles. And just getting her warmed up enough to do the first oil change here. And we'll get that started. Let's get this set up. Alright. Start getting this drained out. I'm going to get that fuel shut off. Alright. Make sure we're good to go here. I busted this loose a little earlier. Whew. Came gushing out there. Man, that came pouring out. It wasn't super hot, like burned my fingers hot. Just a little warm. That, I don't know, it's not as oily as you would think. It is pretty watery. So, I am glad that I'm getting this done. Cause yeah, the factory stuff there is pretty watery. Like I said, they only had 100 and just a little bit of spill. 132.6. Let that drip and come to a stop, and then tilt and shake the bike a little bit, get the rest of the oil out. And I'll be right with you after I get cleaned up. Alright, quite a while later, and it's not dripping anymore. I think it's completely out. Got a magnetic tip, little copper gasket thing, drain plug. Got it off of Amazon. Here's some of the information on it. Strong, like it's super strong magnet. I don't know. I mean, why not? I mean, this engine, they say, lasts forever, all that. But I'm still going to take care of it. Like the manual says, it's 10W30. I see some of you guys are putting 10W40 in it. Other stuff here and there. Again, like I said, you could literally almost pee in it and it'll still run. I haven't seen that yet. I just made that up. But you could, I've even seen it, even if you mistreat this thing, it still runs. So, but you can't go wrong with a magnetic plug. Let's get that in and get some new oil in it and top it off. Alright, all done. Oh, I got that thing on there tight. I was going to show you guys the dipstick, but you guys know what it looks like. Well, that's that. Catch you guys later. Peace.